So, good morning sa tanan diyang sa all our followers na mo follow sa itong daily drives. But today, we're just here in Fuente, Osmeña, pero padulong taron sa, let's see. Okay, darita. It's early morning, yeah. Of course. Nata sa Osmeña Boulevard, and we're gonna go towards Ramos. Ano na itong mga hustle and bustle rin lugar karong orasa. So it's December 8, 17 days before Christmas, and na 17 days na lang, guys. Dayon 24 days na lang mag New Year na. It's gonna be the end of 2020, and Cebu is slowly getting back. Tanaw rin kung nabay mga jeep. Diri mga akong mga usos, mga paborito na kong ruta sa una kanang 04C ng Lahog Badong Kulon. Na. So this is the F. Ramos Street. So natin nag-request na ako, "Hi Brennan, and you wanna see Junquera o Tukulon?" Sige, maadto taron from Junquera to Tukulon. Alright. So mudulog taron dari Junquera. And yeah, we'll see parts of sorry. Yeah, you'll see parts of course, downtown, and then Colon Street though. So on this street, by the way, this is Junquera. So one of my favorite restaurants there, of course, ang Chinese ngoyong des unahan, and then sus katong akoan singa na kanang kuan ni Mayura, lumi ni Mayura, aning lami kaya na may lumihan diri at bang lang sa Chinese goyong malami kaya na Bag-or kayo Batangas, lumi ang pansiteria ni Mayura, power kayo mani diri, maning Chinese goyong to the left, maning lumi Mayura, authentic Batangas lumi ang pansiteria, one of the best. So hi there sa mga kuan na nag-study diri sa USC made ng mga alumni. So na maninaong diri dapit sa inyong laaganan kung asa mo maglaag-laag sa una, mag-date kaon-kaon, magdota. So we're in your territory. So time check is around padung na 8 o'clock, 8 in the morning. Pero moderatso ta padung Kulon. Sundan na itong 04C, by the way. Pero di kita masulod all the way, I think maliko na siya. Maliko tinin siya sa Siyangko. Ako moderatso ko padung sa Kulon. Sa Plaza Housing din din 04C, 17C I think. Ramos, Carbon. Padong na Carbon, by the way. Kita padong na tas Kulon. So when abot na tas Colon by, since naiganahan mo tanaw sa downtown, I'm gonna turn right yun sa Colon. Yung gawas kos kuan. This is just a short trip, I think around 11 minutes. So mani ang Junquera na sa Cosmopolitan race to the right. Alright, napa na sila. And ano na yung Esquina Colon. That's Colon. Well, this is declared as the oldest street. Galing atong tubangan. That's declared as the oldest street in the Philippines. Although lisod kaya na i-define ba na oldest street. But I think this existed for hundreds of years ning dana. So let's just say so to the left is Colonnade Supermarket. So kuan ka na, daghan kay taxi na diha because it's really one of the kanang supermarkets na nag-sell og mga affordable gid kay na mga ingredients. So of course, lang ta maglinger dere, of course. So mag-go na. Ako, I'm gonna turn right here. Turn right na to dere ba? Sorry, isa tayo mag so at least you've seen maning Colon early morning. So kami mo turn right na ko pabalik. But yes, at least you've seen kana bang para ni Brennan. Hi Brennan, nato Junquera to Colon ha. So some parts of the downtown. Sige lang kay I have to be in hurry lang dili kay kuan magod. That's why this is a talking vlog. Cause hapit na mahurot akong space niya. Muna, I can't take too long. Gananta ako magtuyok sa downtown. Pero muna, because marag akong space is good for 11 minutes ra. Then I have to conserve na sad. So we're back here at Osmeña Boulevard, but this time instead of going straight normally back to Fuente, of course padung nako sa Imus Road. There is mag P.Del Rosario nako, and then of course magiana tog balik ang USC main here. So this is P.Del Rosario now. Okay, P.Del Rosario, and one of the churches there is Santo Rosario sa right. Then we're back there, USC main. So University of San Carlos. So really one of the oldest universities in the country. Well, it's an institution na basically there is a Cebu labi na. It has produced thousands of alumni, from lawyers to accountants to engineers, pharmacists. Muna manang USC main. So tarang P.Del Rosario traffic, medyo daghan kay mga sakyanan diri early morning, and it's it's a cloudy day in Cebu. I think nag-drizzle na gamay ganinang kadlawon. But muna, I love driving in ani na conditions kay book daw kayo. Yeah. Nindot lang kay talahon sa dangdaan na medyo basa-basa. So yes, ang kuan before, this is P.Del Rosario. So dako na ni nadalan. I think there are so many dorms here. So dagan sang mga nakapuyo diri, labi na tong mga taga-probinsya na nag-study diri. I'm sure the reason mo maglakaw-lakaw so familiar mo ani na roads cause diri normally daghan gyud nag-dorms diya. Pero karon na we're gonna cross the new Imus Road na ta ning dako ni nadaan sad. So normally sa Sinulog Sinulog route ni parade route ni dire. So going to Mango maning agianan, this is the Imus. So dako kay na daan na sad, which is nice. Which is has access to MG Cuenco, to Tejero. So to this part of kuan kanang sa port side na mga barangay. So we're in Dayas pa man yeah, dayon To the left, nasa sang pinakadakong kuan kanang what you call it, kanang St. Peter's. So anan kayo, so we passed by Cosmo, then karon St. Peter. So mana one of the mga two biggest kuan kana when it comes to ng death care. So money, Imus Road traffic on December 8, 2020. Yeah, medyo kuan. Traffic volume is quite kuan. Marag daghan-daghan yan. So mana so usay, pasensya na lang na medyo shaky usay ning video karon kasi malagi na this is just straight out of camera, gi-upload na to because wala na tayo space sa phone. So it's time to delete. So mao na guys, thank you so much for joining me on this trip guys. Nanatas kuan, mulabang natas Gerald Maximum. So back to kuan na ta, back to Mabolo, back to kanang Ayala area. So morning kuan, it's a busy na ning orasa or rush hour, but thank you so much for watching guys, and see you na sa susunod na mga videos. Bye.